how I make stir-fried mushrooms, beef and mushrooms, wild mushrooms with egg noodles. Finally, 2025, we got mushrooms. There's plenty around. There's another, can't really see them, huh? Camouflage. There's another wood bluet. Hey, look at that. Nice. Beautiful bluet. Look at that. Beautiful.
Big, I think bigger than my hand.
Hi, welcome back to the Chef on Two Wheels. So we got like saffron milk caps and wood bluets at the moment. So we'll wash this first and then we'll prep it. We'll do a stir fry. Very nice. That will be very tasty. One word of caution: if you don't know your mushrooms, when in doubt, please don't pick them up or don't try to eat them, because you never know if they are poisonous unless you're confident in identifying them. So this one's been washed and then we'll just slice them. Put it here. And together with this we'll add also, this one's the wood bluets. Then we'll be adding some vegetables for stir fry. These are the ingredients that we'll be using. This is the saffron milk caps, wood bluets, and together with that we'll add some baby king oyster mushrooms and onions, garlic, carrots. This is the beef that I'll show you in a while how to do it. This has been marinated. It's porterhouse. Take off the sinew and some of that grizzle fat. It makes your steak really tough because that doesn't break down. So this one we'll slice and then we'll marinate it with soy sauce, corn flour, and just add some bicarb soda, just a little bit, just to break down the proteins. Some corn flour or corn starch in other countries, and some soy sauce. This is light soy sauce, just a bit. And I set this aside, and this one's green leafy vegetables using egg noodles. First we'll boil some water. Blanch this first. We use about half of the egg noodles. That should be enough. Half a packet. Soon you can use it for another stir fry or chow mein. It's blanched and that's it. It should be good already. And then we'll wash it through cold water just to get the starch off. We'll wash it through cold water. So in a big pan, we'll saute our mushrooms first. So in a hot pan, we'll add some oil. We'll fully cook our mushrooms first. There. So get to stir this thing first. To make sure we fully cook these mushrooms. Baby king oyster mushrooms. So add it in also. So fully cooked together with our mushrooms. We'll do this cooking in stages. So we did the noodles first, and then we'll cook the mushrooms next. We'll set this aside, and then we'll cook the beef. in the same pan, let it heat up again. Add a little bit of oil. And then we'll cook our beef. We'll just fry this. You can do them in batches. And then again, we'll set them aside. And then we'll assemble the whole thing after. Don't overfill the pan. And then let it cook in one side, and then we'll flip them and then put them together with the mushrooms. Should be good dinner. Always wash your hands. Alright, let's flip them over. Yeah, it should be good. Alright. And then we'll set this thing aside also. Together with our mushrooms and beef. That's it. It's good. Minahulog. Yeah. Yeah. And we'll add more flavor. So turn this thing off first a bit. Again, in a hot pan, we'll saute our onions, garlic. So we'll start with the onions first. So now we're building up the whole dish. Onions. Bango. Okay, start with onions first. Add the garlic. See it? Our onions are cooked. We can add the beef already, and then the mushrooms. Alright. So we can add the carrots also. And to that, coloring dark soy sauce. Just a bit. Don't need too much. More liquid seasoning. So this one's up to you for your taste, right? The color is from the dark soy. Wow. Okay. I'll grab some pepper. So I get black pepper. And just a little bit of salt. Just to flavor. Okay. To that, we'll add some vegetable powder. Usually add chicken powder, but I don't use chicken powder at home. But I got vegetable powder, so just 1 teaspoon. And this one's Chinese cooking one. Alcohol. Just a bit. It just gives you a depth of flavor. We'll add our cooked egg noodles. It's been cooked and blanched. Give it a good toss. Add in also our green leafy vegetables. Don't worry, let's let it wilt. Sabihin na naman nila, they'll tell me, you need a bigger pan. Use what you've got. That's all I can say. It's almost done. See, the vegetables have wilted down already. Please do like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Don't skip the ads.
Too. Alright? The more I can go foraging. Okay? And then last we'll just put some. Do this. Just add some sesame oil to finish. Just a bit, not too much. Sesame oil is too overpowering. Should be good. And then we'll taste. Yeah. So taste the muna. We'll taste it first and then we'll adjust the seasoning. Okay. Okay. Bango. Wow. Just a bit of the nori seasoning. So we'll transfer this into our serving dish. That's how I make stir-fried mushrooms, beef and mushrooms, wild mushrooms with egg noodles. Kakain na! This one's like a dry noodle. Yum! Noodles! Favorite. The noodles are still chewy. Nice. So they're not, it's not overcooked. You see the wood bluet? Yeah, it's so cute. Wood bluet. Very mushroomy with a hint of soy sauce. This one's the saffron milk caps. But this one's with love because we foraged it. That's nice. Please try this at home. Thanks for watching. Paalam. Kain. Damn, that's nice.